Hello, and welcome to our lesson on implementing risk responses and monitoring risk. This segment will cover monitoring risks. In the intricate web of project management, monitoring risk stands as a pivotal guardrail against the uncertainties accompanying any project endeavor. This section delves into the multifaceted approach of monitoring risk, encompassing establishing a comprehensive monitoring framework, conducting periodic risk assessments to ensure the efficacy of implemented risk responses, and updating risk management plans. By integrating these elements seamlessly into project risk management monitoring practices, teams can navigate uncertainties with agility and fortitude, ultimately safeguarding project success and bolstering resilience in the face of adversity. In the realm of project risk management, establishing a robust monitoring framework is essential to ensure that risks are continually tracked, assessed, and addressed throughout the project lifecycle. This framework provides the structure and guidance necessary to manage risks and maintain project objectives effectively. Key components of this framework include 1. Defining key performance indicators, KPIs for risk monitoring that cover the following areas. Risk tolerance thresholds. Establishing thresholds for acceptable levels of risk exposure across different aspects of the project helps determine when risk levels surpass acceptable limits and trigger action. Risk response. Effectiveness. Assessing the effectiveness of implemented risk responses in mitigating or addressing identified risks. KPIs may include reducing risk likelihood or impact achieved through response actions. Frequency of risk events. Monitoring the frequency of occurrence of identified risks to identify patterns or trends. This allows for proactive adjustments to risk response strategies as needed. Adherence to risk management plans. Evaluating the degree to which project team members adhere to predefined risk management plans and procedures. This ensures consistency and alignment in risk management practices. Impact on project objectives. Tracking the impact of identified risks on project objectives such as schedule, budget, quality, and scope helps assess overall project performance in relation to risk management efforts. 2. Setting up monitoring tools and systems, which may include utilizing Risk Register. A centralized risk register is utilized to document and track identified risks and associated information such as risk owners, response plans, status, and mitigation actions. This serves as a foundational tool for risk monitoring and communication. Project management software. Leveraging project management software platforms that offer dedicated modules or features for risk management. These tools provide functionalities for recording, analyzing, and reporting on project risks, streamlining the monitoring process. Risk reporting mechanisms. Establishing clear channels for reporting and escalating risks throughout the project hierarchy. This ensures that risk information is promptly communicated to relevant stakeholders for timely decision-making. Data analysis techniques. Employing quantitative and qualitative analysis techniques to assess risk data and trends. This may include probabilistic analysis, scenario modeling, root cause analysis, and trend analysis to identify emerging risks and assess their potential impact. Regular review meetings. Conduct regular risk review meetings involving key project stakeholders to discuss and evaluate risk status, response effectiveness, and emerging issues or concerns. These meetings facilitate collaboration and decision-making to address evolving risks. By establishing a robust monitoring framework encompassing defined KPIs and utilizing appropriate tools and systems, project teams can proactively manage risks, minimize negative impacts, and enhance the likelihood of project success. In the next segment, we shall discuss Monitoring Risks, Part 2. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.